Hello students, this video is the first part in the series of reported speech videos. Reported speech is a very important topic, but sometimes the beginners find it a little difficult to follow. So I have made this video to help all of you understand how to report statements. And I want every one of you to pay complete attention while watching this video. So let's get started. Look at the dialogue. Now there are two ways of telling what the man said. We can say the man said, "I have done it." Or we can say the man said that he had done it. Now let us compare the two sentences. Try to notice what has changed. If you have observed closely, then you must have noticed that the inverted commas are removed and replaced with that. The pronoun I is changed into he, and the tense of the dialogue is also changed from present perfect tense to past perfect tense. Now let me tell you how to change the pronouns of the first person. The pronouns of the first person, for example, I, my, me, are changed according to the speaker of the dialogue, who is also known as the subject. If the speaker is a boy, then I becomes he, me becomes him, and my becomes his. Likewise, if the speaker is a girl, then I becomes she, me becomes her, and my becomes her. Let's see how to change present tenses. All forms of present tenses are changed into their corresponding past tenses. This means that the simple present tense is changed into simple past tense. Present continuous tense is changed into past continuous tense. Present perfect tense is changed into past perfect tense. And present perfect continuous tense is changed into past perfect continuous tense. Let us now try to report a statement. The boy said, "I am going to school." Now, if you remember, the first thing that we have to do is to remove the inverted commas and put that. The second thing we are going to change is the pronoun I. Now, since the speaker is a boy, I is changed into he. And the final thing that we are going to do is to change the tense of the dialogue. Notice that the dialogue is written in present continuous tense. So we are going to change it into past continuous tense. And hence, we'll say, the boy said that he was going to school. Let's try to report another statement. The girl said, I'm going to school. Now again, the first thing we are going to do is to remove the inverted commas. So we have removed the inverted commas and put that. The next thing we are going to do is to change the pronoun. Now since the speaker of this statement is a girl, we are going to change I into she. And now we have to change the tense of the dialogue. The tense of the dialogue is present continuous tense, which will be changed into past continuous tense. I have also given you some questions for practice. I hope this video helps. Keep practicing and keep learning.